Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nelca again, and my ebook for landscape lighting design techniques is done, but I need to supply those video links that is incorporated in this ebook. So one of the techniques in landscape lighting is how to light the stairs, and I want to create a video now on how to do this stairs lighting design techniques. So let's go for the first technique on how to light a staircase or stairs for landscape lighting. So I already opened one of my project right now. This is a small villa, and I created the lighting design using Dialux Evo. And you can see here now that I use a lot of luminaire for this very small area of landscaping. So there are so many. Yeah, this is a very small area, but I created a little more dramatic. So you can see here that there is 3 steps staircase or stairs here at the back side of this villa, and I put a luminaire, an LED strips or flexible LED inside this staircase. It's under the nosing, and you can see here this one is placed here under the nosing of the staircase. So there are so many ways on how to light up stairs. You can either put the fittings here at the tread, or at the riser, or you can also place the fitting here on the side of the wall of this staircase, or maybe some fittings, a general fitting, a general lighting luminaire that can suffice enough to light up this staircase or stairs. So this is one of the techniques that I mentioned, is putting your LED strips under the nosing of the stairs. So like this one. And you can also use the same LED strips to highlight the benches. Again, it's like a cove light under the bench. So like that. And if you want to make sure that the LED strip that you are planning to use is IP rated and it's really suitable for outdoor lighting, go and visit some manufacturer like LEDFlex. These are the best LED flexible LEDs for outdoor lighting. It's a good quality, and I'm not promoting it because I use this one in this project. So next time I will teach you how to do this one. This is small landscaping. This one inside the mini falls is also an LED, and it's RGB. It's an RGB. It's again from LEDFlex, and you can see here in their website that they have an option to have an RGB LED fitting, and it's IP68. You can also submerge some of their LEDs, so you can use that one for swimming pool, for edging, which I will also discuss later on because it's part of the landscape lighting design techniques. And there are so many things here, so if you have time, go and visit their website, and you can get their IES file. It's really available, and it's good for your calculation. Even if you don't order from them, you can maximize and use their photometric files for your lighting design. So for example, this one, see, there is an IES downloads. Just go check this one, and you can select from their selections of luminaires. Okay, so for those who are waiting for my ebook, it's already done. It's just I need to finish all those videos that it's included in the hyperlink, because this ebook is not only just a book, because it's also a hands-on. There's also a hands-on tutorial which you will learn or master landscape lighting design using Dialux Evo, Photoshop, GIF, and of course AutoCAD softwares. And of course, there's also a chapter where you will learn the standards about landscape lighting. Okay, so see you again in the next video, and just wait for this course. Again, there is lighting design course for landscaping in my Udemy website, and just watch for this one out also for my ebook. Okay, so see you again on the next video. Bye.